We're here today to showcase the beginning of a company which is called Wildbyte Technologies, a company that started up because there's a need out there for people to be able to monitor animals, wild animals, and domestic animals, and even people to monitor people. Well, Wildbyte is a company that has needed the technology that we've produced within the university. But one of the major problems is if you're going to put high tech on animals, animals have a complete disregard for the cost and sensitivity of high tech, and so we needed housings for this. And of course, housings is not a trivial matter. So we've been using expertise from SEACAMS to help design housings, and expertise from Astute to actually print these housings to kickstart the company.
SEACAMS, which is a project I'm managing, has been assisting a company, Wildbyte Technologies Ltd, for the last year, and we have been assisting them with engineering design of new products which have enabled them to bring their ideas and their research into concept and then into product development and production.
For the past 6 months we've had these devices here which, with Astute's help and SEACAMS' help, we've actually got housings with an integrated battery, so we can actually put these on the back of animals.
They were lacking the technology and the ability to create housing for their electronic components, to a robust housing that would withstand pressure, water pressure, or the pressure from an animal compacting housing. And then they needed engineering design expertise to design the housing that would then be attached to animals in their natural environment.
We can see lots of things that you're not able to see naturally by watching animals. So one example in leatherback turtles, it's very rare to see them being attacked by a white shark because you just can't get them both in the same scene. But with the tag on, the animal behaves more naturally and the world is more natural in its response.
Astute has been set up by the Welsh Government to support the Welsh manufacturing industry across a wide range of topics, from design for manufacture all the way to recycling and end-of-life issues. Our specific contribution to the project was on 3D rapid prototyping and manufacture. It's a big buzzword in industry. Basically, in the old days, you get a big block and you cut away what you don't need. So you can do very interesting shapes. The college and the project has invested in a wide range of facilities where we can manufacture from plastic to metal parts, and in this case we used our 3D plastic printing devices, which allowed us, working with the designers from SEACAMS, to create a prototype fairly quickly.
Yeah. So I have here the initial prototype that was developed for Wildbyte Technologies, and it is the design component of a tag that can be attached to an animal. And here we were able to demonstrate that the electric components that are slotted within the housing here, as well as the battery pack, can then be neatly produced in housing that's designed specifically for an animal, so in line with its environment, as well as the shape of the animal.
Good morning, Minister, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome to you on this very cold and wet day. My name is Brett Snow. I'm the Project Manager for Astute, and I'll be your chair this morning. Firstly, I'd like to introduce Professor Noel Thompson, who's the Pro-Vice Chancellor from Swansea University, to give the formal welcome.
Now, on behalf of the event organisers, project teams and Swansea University, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you here this morning to the Liberty Stadium to hear about some of the really exciting and groundbreaking work being undertaken through a unique Welsh European Funding Office multi-partner projects based at Swansea University.
Exciting, new and cutting-edge project. Very, very proud to be here as your Minister launching this today. And of course, this has been made possible through a unique collaboration between the two innovative European-funded projects, which Noel has spoken about already, Astute and SEACAMS, and delighted that I can take part in this launch.
I think there are companies out there that sell tags for animals. I don't think any making tags as trendy as these, but one of the big problems is that they make tags that's just that are just standard tags. They're square or slightly rounded and so on. The nice thing about this is we can scan in, this is the future, we can scan in the body of the animal. So it might be a fin on a porpoise, or it can be the neck on a badger, or it can be the back of a bird. We can scan it in and we can make the tag so that it absolutely articulates perfectly with the animal, and so the animal feels happier. That's the idea.
Yes, to sum up, we're working on total world domination, and it's proceeding really as planned. So thanks very much.